Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use UKG Pro mobile app full beginner tutorial. Using the UKG Pro mobile app is a convenient way to manage your work details on the go. Begin by downloading UKG Pro by UKG Inc. from the App Store or Google Play. Then open the app once installation is complete. At launch, enter your company access code or tenant URL or scan a QR code if your organization provides one to reach the login screen. Sign in using your assigned UKG credentials, which may include single sign on and multi factor authentication, depending on your company's setup. You can enable fingerprint, touch ID, or face ID for faster future access. Then adjust notifications and permissions, including location services, if you need to clock in and out accurately. From the home screen, you see quick access styles for punching in, viewing schedules, checking time cards, accuros, and notifications, all of which can be customized using the menu options to match your daily workflow. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.